Did you know about COINTELPRO?
In the 1960s, the FBI,
Under the orders of J.
Edgar Hoover, ran a secret program called COINTELPRO
Its goal?
to spy on, divide, and eliminate black organizations fighting for civil rights. They planted informants, created fake documents, and turned black leaders against each other.
J. Edgar Hoover called black activists the greatest threat to America. Some leaders were jailed, others were killed, and the public wasn't supposed to ever find out. COINTELPRO was exposed in 1971, but almost no one was ever punished.
For more great content, check out the channel.
Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.